Remember when they hate, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you, and you didn't fall through. Now you hit yourself and look at me, look at me. You made it.
And what up, what up, what up? What's good with y'all? Aight, so what are we getting into today? Actually, the day is damn near already over with, so it's technically what are we getting into tonight? Alright, so today, or tonight, as of right now, we're about to be going to go pick up the LS3 G35. It is finally done and ready to go. This is going to be the first day this thing has came home. And what's crazy is my BM, aka my baby mama, has not seen any of the stuff that we've done to the LSG. She hasn't seen this thing at all, other than seeing it in the back of Aaron's garage, and like she just ain't seen it. So today we're gonna go pick that up, and today's gonna be her first time seeing it. It's gonna be Granny's first time seeing it. I don't even think Granny remembers I have this car. Pretty sure she's gonna think it's a whole new car. But yeah, man, today's gonna be like my first drive, well, my first real drive, and first day's coming home. So I'm looking forward to it. Since the last video, Aaron did the tuning upgrade on it. I think that's really what I was waiting for. Tuning upgrade, new plugs. My tuner Jason came by, did a new street tune on it. Currently at about 18 degrees of timing. So once we get on the dyno, we'll probably be roughly at about, I wanna say 21, 22 degrees at, you know, for all the power. So not sure how much power this thing's making right now, but I'm just looking forward to having this thing back and finally having it home, because you guys know that this is going to be my new daily. This is my dad mobile. I built this car so I could have my baby in it, and it just came out so amazing and I love it. But enough talking, let's get ready to head out and let's go pick up the LS3G, AKA the G62. You taking a shit?
No.
You ready? It's gonna be your first time seeing the G, right?
Yep.
First time. First time seeing the G. You wanna bring her, or are you gonna have Granny watch her?
Probably bring her.
Grams! I'm about to go pick up my car. You ain't seen it yet.
What car you getting now?
Now I've had this car for about almost a year now. I bought this car the beginning of last year, around when Kaya was born. It was my 4-door car. My dad mobile. Remember I said I was gonna build a car to drive my little baby around in? It's my first 4-door car.
Lexus?
It's not a Lexus, it's an Infinity. It's a G35 with a Corvette engine in it.
I can't keep up with you in your cars.
I think you're gonna like this one better. It's easier to get in and out of. Steer that thing. Go ahead, steer it for him.
Let you drive it.
No, definitely not. You're gonna be in and crash that thing. Let me turn these lights up. So, last video I told you guys that we had parts, and here they are. I actually had these pistons from my last 2JZ. They were brand new. I never even used them. It was just once we got the old motor apart, it ended up being bore too big for these. So these are like a standard bore, and the last machine shop had fucking overbored them. So I ended up getting new pistons. So since I had these as a spare, I figured I'd order another set of rods. These are the BC things right here, you know what I'm saying? Brand new. Also, the smart choice was to add the 625 rod bolts for these things. So literally 1,000 horsepower capable pistons and rods ready to go for my new 2JZ that I'm about to be building. For my you know what I'm saying? Because I am doing another 2JZ car for y'all. And then right here, I got literally extra wheels, extra spares right here, spare wheels right here. Got the freaking bell housing for the TKX Trans. But then these right here, these consoles, this is gonna be going for the 86 Mustang. Remember I gave my 300ZX away with a set of consoles, so I ordered 2 more. That way I have another matching set because I had 6 of the consoles. So yeah, just had to make another set. And then right here, let me say big thank you to my boy Black Aaron coming through with the polished twin skis for me. Twin skis. My boy Black Aaron hit these things up. Came out phenomenal. Those are gonna be going for the twin turbo LS3 build. We got my new Viper wheels. Ooh. Soon, y'all will see these on here. Fire. All right, so I'm just getting here to my boy Aaron's, and we're looking at the LSG. This is Nita's first time seeing it.
Ever?
No, remember she hasn't seen it since it's done. She said it was stock.
Yeah, but
She hasn't seen none of this.
damn, that's crazy.
None of it.
That's crazy.
So yeah, this thing has came a long way, and today is the day that it finally comes home. Finally comes home. Oh, look, check this thing out.
I could have sworn that you've seen this car.
I mean, I've seen it before, but I haven't.
Well, yeah, I'm saying with like all of it.
It's nice and clean.
Right? Jinx, show me a soda. We both says right at the same time. Look at that. LS3 factory.
Came out stupid clean.
Kaya, Dada built this car for you, mama. He built this car for you.
Now we gotta buy 2 car seats.
Yeah.
He built this car for you.
Who's that other guy over there?
Yeah, this thing came out stupid clean. See the interior on here?
Hella clean.
Stupid clean. Look at that. Ooh. It's cleaner than the one we had for you.
I know.
Way cleaner.
Way clean.
Way cleaner.
Yeah. Factory trim and
Yeah.
everything.
Can I drive it?
What? No.
Why?
You want to drive it home? See?
I'll drive it.
No, I'm driving it home. My first time driving it.
I've driven it more than he has.
Yeah, this thing's sick though. Hella sick. Back seats are all.
All stuff you can put on it.
That's the wide body.
That's the wide body kit that I was supposed to put on it that I ended up not putting on it. So it was stupid clean. So I'm probably just tuck this in the garage somewhere or something.
Sell it.
I don't know. I'll probably keep it. You never know when somebody might run into me.
You're praying for the day that somebody runs into it so you have an excuse to put it on.
I mean, listen, when it happens, it happens. I'm prepared and ready for it. Everything works on here. Nice and bright headlights.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get to even try those out today.
Right? I'm gonna find out they aim at the ground tonight.
I know, right?
Well, hey,
Man, I hope not.
she's aimed at the ground, bruh. I'm turning back around so we can adjust them.
Well, nothing's really out of adjustment with the headlights. Like, they bolted into the factory location. There's like no like adjustment really necessary, I don't think.
Today is the day. It's like, look at that, clean.
I haven't started it yet, so I don't know.
Really?
Really.
Oh, fuck it, start it. Use Loctite. Use Loctite on the trunnions.
Yeah.
It should be fine. You hit them with the right torque spec?
Yeah. 22
Yeah.
foot-pounds.
See, 22 foot-pounds, we good.
Don't say that. Worries me. It's my first trunnion upgrade.
Yeah, that's good.
It's nice.
Dude, it's loud because it's inside the garage. But outside the garage is hella quiet. See how the car's shaking? Harlem shaking? Hit the Harlem shake. Go, do it, do it, do it.
That's ready on my arm.
Look, ooh. Nice, quiet, and choppy. When have you ever heard a quiet, like silent chop? What you looking at?
I was just making sure there's no leaks or no issues. You know how it goes.
Silent chop. Bro, it's so quiet when it pulsates, you can hear the tips.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, I don't know if y'all will be able to hear it, but that's how quiet the exhaust is. You can hear the pop from the pulsing of the cam from each muffler tip.
And like you said, we're only hearing it because it's in the garage.
Yeah.
Like if it wasn't
Outside the
all
garage.
you're gonna hear is it. Yeah.
I love how this thing be shaking.
I know. Nice.
Ah, this is so sick. First drive, man. This thing's coming home tonight. Coming home tonight, baby. What do you think about this thing? As far as like all my other cars, you think it's probably one of the cleanest builds? White Aaron does cleaner shit than shops.
Yeah.
We need to just get another shop together. We just need to do it. Hey, we get a shop together. White Aaron's gonna quit my shop like he quits all his other shops. Like, bro, this is our shop. This is our shop, bro. How you gonna quit? I'm done. I'm picking up my toolbox. I don't want to do this no more. I'm tired of cars. I'm selling life insurance to everybody.
Oh yeah, sounds good.
It does. It's quiet. It doesn't make no more noise from the new Trians.
Yeah, and
Or the new rollers.
They were definitely tighter. Because when I backed up, like, you had to like put it in top dead center, and then the ones that were off the road, you could like feel a little bit of movement. When I put the new ones on, they were like touching. So it's definitely tighter in there. But I mean, there's no adjustment that I could have done. So
Yeah. It's good. Yes.
oh yeah, done. This again?
Yeah. Hold my hand. Walk around the car.
Oh yeah.
Woo. Lights, baby. Y'all haven't even seen it. Did an LED conversion up top, HIDs down low, or LEDs down low, HIDs up top. Nice, bright. It's just so fucking clean, bro. It's so clean. LED signals, just stupid clean. Yo, I haven't even looked at the back of this thing with the tail lights on, with the LED or the tail light covers. Look, it still looks sick. Whew. This car's so sick. All right, here you go, man. Hood getting closed, and it's time for her to come out of the garage. Time to go home. Bruh, it's time to go home. This thing is so fucking sick, bruh. I'm so happy to have this thing back. Aaron's doing one last little test drive. Do you hear how quiet that thing is? I can like sneak out the house now. You won't even know I'm gone. Oh, I hear. It's so quiet. I love it. I absolutely love it.
Oh, sir, your chariot awaits you. Just want to make sure I didn't hear nothing weird or feel anything, but drives just like it did.
Thank you, thank you.
Shit is sick. Super sick, man. Let me know when you get home, too.
It's good. For sure.
I don't think you don't got anything else here, right?
Nope, not that I know of. All right, Bob.
Even the lights.
Oh yeah, they perfect. They're hella bright.
Hell yeah.
I shall text you when I get home.
Yep, for sure.
All right, here we go. We are out, man. Sorry, the camera might be a little on the dark side, but we off. On our way home. This car is so quiet. It's like odd to have like an LS3 car that's just like this quiet. It's gonna take some getting used to for sure. Had to adjust the seat. White hair and hella short. Shit's spinning. Oh, this thing's dope. This is so sick. Everything feels smooth. Dude, this car drives so, like, it drives like it's stock. Like, it feels hella smooth. Like, it doesn't feel like it's LS power, other than when you sit here idling, you can feel your ass shaking. It's definitely when you at idle, you can feel your you know, your body rocking with the car shaking, but like on the inside it's like extremely quiet. Y'all probably can't even really hear any droning or nothing. Like, it's insanely quiet, like oddly. Just cruise this thing home, and I'll be back with y'all when I get to the house. All right, so I just stopped and got some gas real quick. One thing I want to note is, if you, bro, look at the dash, bro. My 350Z got hella lights on it. Check engine lights, ABS lights. This car has no lights on it at all, other than my TPS and washer fluid. I need to add some washer fluid, but I might try to put the TPS sensors in here and see if I can get all the lights off this thing. But no lights, bruh, and this car is running so smooth. Fucking white Aaron for the win, bruh.
A few minutes later.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady, speed limit 65.